I went to Five Below and got this slime, and it's scented candy apple, and it's super duper sparkly. And it's really red and just like really stretchy, but like if you see, it like rips, but like it's not that type of slime where like it rips and it goes hard. It's like the one like it's slimy, and then like kind of when you go slow, it's like really good. But it feels amazing. It makes very good bubbles. And yeah, just like so nice, and it feels so good on your hands. It has so many sparkles. I love it. Perfect like crunches. And this is the one where like it doesn't, like the sparkles don't get on your hands.